Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to use Leonardo AI image to image. You can open Leonardo by just clicking the link in the description. After clicking the link, you will have to click on AI image generation and then scroll down. After this, you can see here image to image and image prompt. Here you will have to upload your image. I'll click this dog image. From here I can change my init strength. I'll keep it 0.44 and here you will have to write a prompt. I'll write oil painting and let's generate. It will take some time. So the image has been generated. You can see the difference between real image and the oil painting one. You can also change it by just saying watercolor painting and let's generate. Okay, so you guys can see the difference between the real image, oil painting and watercolor one. This is how you can use image to image. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.